Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa, and in today's video I will teach you how you can customize the blank pages of this landscape planner so that you can truly have what you need in the pages of your planner. So this was a blank page. I added some stickers and text boxes, and today I will show you how we can customize my to-do section. So I just tapped on the to-do button on my left here. Okay, and that opened this completely blank page. And the next thing I'm going to do is go to the PrintStick library because I want to download some inserts that we are going to be using today to customize our blank pages. So this is the library, and you just find the inserts section, and the pack that we're going to be using today is called Minis pack. So I tap there, and it comes in black and it comes in white. I will actually get both because I want to show you how you can also do this in the blackout version of the same planner. So you tap on the first option, in this case was the black pack, and then in here you'll see the download. This is a zip file containing all of the inserts in PNG format. So this actually asks me if I want to send it straight to GoodNotes. However, I can't because this is not a GoodNotes file. It ends in .zip, and the previous GoodNotes file that I did open ended in .zip as well, so the iPad believes it's the same, but it's not. So it's not gonna work if I send it to GoodNotes, so ignore what it says here and tap on where it says more. And what we want is save to file, so tap there, and then you choose a section. I'm just gonna tap on this folder that says stuff and then save. Just remember where you kept it so you can find it afterwards. I'm gonna tap on done, and let me go back to the library because I actually want to download the other ones right now as well. So I downloaded the black ones already. Now I'm gonna go for the white set and find the download, tap there, more, and save to files, same location, click on save. Alright, so that should have saved it. Now you can decide to keep those new inserts where they are right now, which is the Files app. Personally, I like to organize them in my Stixer app. So here's my Stixer app, and I actually have a folder created for my inserts already, which is here. But I will create a brand new folder just to know that this is my Minis pack, because these inserts are, you'll see in a second, a little bit different than usual. They're not a full page, they're like parts of a page. So I do want to keep them separate. Also, it can get pretty crazy to just have a ton of inserts everywhere, right? So I created that new folder. Before we can bring in those inserts into Stixer, we have to go decompress them in the Files app. So I'm just going to open my Files app here. Make sure you find the location where you downloaded those files from the library. As you can see, I have them both here, and all I do is tap on them and they will automatically unzip. So I tap on the first, and then I tap on the second, and then I have them right here, white and then black. Okay, so they should be ready now to be loaded onto Stixer. So here I am back on Stixer. Tap on the plus sign, click on files, and then find the location where you should have the inserts, which is this folder right here for me. First we'll do the black ones. Now you can decide to have further categories in Stixer to separate them as they are. So you have calendar, finance, and different subjects. But I personally, I'll keep all of the black mini inserts together and all of the white ones in a separate folder, I think. So I'm just gonna go open the first folder and then select all, open, and that's gonna bring them into this Stixer folder. Then I'm gonna go back to files to import the second batch, so the second folder. So select all, open, and I'm gonna keep doing this until I have them all here on Stixer. Now you can get to see that these are like different parts of inserts that you'll be able to put together like a puzzle to create your very own inserts. So now I should have all of my elements in this folder. So what I do now is I go back to my planner, but I'm just gonna swipe up to bring the GoodNotes app here side by side so I can enter a split screen view. I like to send Stixer to the smallest portion so I have more room in GoodNotes and I can see what's going on. Okay, so here, this is my to-do section. So I will probably want to have a bunch of boxes, you know, like lists to keep track of the things that need to be done. And actually there are some pretty good ones, like this one. It has the word to clean already. There's always stuff to clean, so I'm gonna add this. And for example, I feel like even though there are always things that need to be clean, probably I don't need as many as this list has. So I'm gonna tap on my list and then tap again to click on crop. Make sure you have the rectangle option selected, and then you can bring this box up. Let's say I want to clean 4 things at a time only, so I'll leave 4 boxes. Okay, maybe 5. Let's see, 2, 4, 5 boxes. Okay, so I bring these dots up until then, and then click on done, and then I have modified this box to be a little bit smaller because I don't need so many rows. Okay, now this is tiny, so I'm gonna tap on it to look at it a little bit bigger. You can barely see it on the screen, but it's here. I can also drag from this view. This one is my shopping list, so I can make it a little bit smaller and then just add it somewhere here. And for example, for this box that has no title, I'll just make it a little bit bigger, center it, and I'll add my own title. So I'm gonna create a new text box by tapping on my text tool, and then I'm just gonna write important. And actually I think I have that word in the minis insert, and yes, in fact I have a box here that has the word important in the same format, which by the way, this is the Palacio font. I'm gonna link it below in case I want to create text boxes using the same font. But what I can do here is I'll just cut this sticker to keep the word important as a sticker, and I'll get rid of the box. Okay, and now I can use this as a title of this new box. Now I need to get rid of my text box because I no longer need it, and I'm going to use my lasso tool to adjust these 2 boxes. This word is big. It's okay if it's big because I want it to stand out, but it's a little too big. And we can use the highlighter color here to add some red color, maybe. Make sure I don't miss this. Yeah, and just like that, you can go around and check, you know, the options that you have. This is a ton of lists. I love lists, but you have a few more things. You can keep a tracker, you have boxes, you can add a date box so that you know when this was written. So I would put this somewhere there and rearrange this. And then you can use a text box to enter the date. Make it bigger if necessary. And you can also change the color, something like that. And then of course, you don't need to only use your inserts to customize these pages. You can also use widgets or stickers. For example, I'll show you, I actually love these new widgets, which are the notes widgets, and you can use those as well to create your own pages. You know, it gives a little bit of color and personality. Okay, so I wanted to show you that you also get the mini inserts in white so that you can use them on the blackout planners. So if you can't see what you want, because the background is white just like the inserts, you can't see where the inserts are, all you have to do is tap on somewhere to be able to open the inserts, and then you'll get to see them with this gray background, so then you can actually see what they are. Another option you have is to go to settings, and where it says display and brightness, choose dark, and that's going to switch your iPad to dark mode, and then you will be able to see the inserts because now the background is black and the inserts are still white, and that's gonna make it a little bit easier to know what you are working with. And that works for these inserts pack, but also for any stickers that are white. So here, for example, you can create your very own finance spread, adding only the boxes or sections that you think you are going to need. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful and that you now know how to customize your planner pages. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you have any questions at all, drop me a comment below. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. I will also leave a link below on where you can sign up for the PrintStick library. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.